Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to this beautiful channel. Today is going to be a quick makeup tutorial. So this was my client. She already have this Nash tattoo eye pencil. This part I did not own my ring light, so sorry you guys will not be seeing it correctly. So I was just drawing the line like this. I was just also at the same time I was teaching her how to draw her eyebrow. I was telling her to look like this, like this. I was just describing. So guys, if you want to learn how to draw your eyebrow, I have a video on that on my YouTube channel, so you have to go and check it out and hope it's help you. So this is the eyebrow I draw on her face, but you know guys, I was definitely going to reline it. So she was just seeing how I was going to do it. She was watching it, she was watching all the process. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't sleep on yourself. Don't sleep on yourself. Subscribe, share this video with your family and friends. This particular area was dark because I don't know what was wrong with the light. Probably I was close to it. I don't know what was really long. Sometimes it's bright, some other time it's dark. I don't know what was wrong. So guys, I was just taking my time and shaping the eyebrow. Why? I was telling her what to do and what not to do, which is going to do her makeup. I was just doing the highlights. If you found this brow beautiful, subscribe to this channel. Sometimes I do my blush before highlighter, but today I was just doing my highlighter before the blush. And I did not want to rub the makeup on her neck because she did not shave and she's wearing white. Probably she's sweating. You know, we are in summer over here. If she sweats, the white the neck of her t-shirt will be stained. I did not know why she did not take off those parts, because I was supposed to put powder even if not foundation. So the best I could do was to leave it like this. So I was applying my blush like that. I love to apply my blush into the hairline. I really love to apply my blush into the hairline. So it was really, the thing came out well. So I went in with my nose contour again. I was just relining it because I lined it before, but I want to do it again. That was when I noticed that guys, one of the brows was not processed. Okay. This look came out. One of the brows was wide and the other one was thin. So now I went in with a lighter powder that matched those lighter area of her face. That matched those lighter area of her face, and I was very careful not to stain her. And I was also very careful. So yeah, I wanted to give her something to cover. She said she does not want it, so my translucent doing my best setting powder to the face came out so amazing today. I used powder on her face because the concealer I used was so oily, so I need something to make it matte. Because I did not do cream contour. I did not do cream contour. So guys, when it comes to makeup, it's blending. So I went in with that shaded a little bit brown on her nose. So I took much of it, so I went in and clean it on my skin and redo it again. This was me using a powder, a brighter powder. Yes, this shade to set under of the eyebrow. If you set the under of the eyebrow, it's going to come out wow. It's going to come. I think this was the time I correct the eyebrow. This was the time I corrected the eyebrow. When I was doing this nose, I noticed the brow wasn't what I want, so it was not too late for me to correct it. So guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, don't fail to subscribe. Subscribe to your beautifuls. Like and share. Give me your honest opinion. See you on all my videos, guys. Thank you for those of you who leave your comments. Thanks to those of you who go and come. Thank you for those of you who really give me your honest opinion. You guys are my sweethearts. So I was applying the setting powder to her face. You know me, even if I apply setting powder to the face, I leave it in those areas I want to leave it on, and I take it away from those other areas I want to take it away from. So I'll leave just under the eyes and take out the rest part. So I went in with brown. Then I told her to close her eye, but she was watching. I told her, please, ma, can you please close your eyes? But she was washing and she was enjoying the process, and that was it. I like this kind of eyelid because it's not too much to deal with. It's very, very brief and not too much to deal with. So this, I was applying my eyeshadow base. I was applying this particular shade, but I didn't want to cut crease, but it looked as if I wanted to cut crease, but no, I wanted to apply it in this small portion. But so I went in with pink on this other part of the eyes. I went in with pink because she saw one of my video which I did pink on my eye. She was like, auntie, I want this look. I was like, okay, this is what I'm going to give to you. So I've done this look on myself before, but without the glitters. But today, after all the process, and she told me, I just add glitters to it, let me see. I didn't know look on me, so we later add glitter on it, and it was nice. So I was just applying the pink like this. So I went with that same brand, that brown brush I used to add the first brand to brush at the edge, and I did not want to give her too much smoky eye, so I went in with my eyeliner. Yeah, I went in with eyeliner, and guys, I'm going to shock you, she love it when the eyelash is very big. So I went in and gave her that kind of eyelash. No, she brought her eyelash from home. So I was using mascara to clean natural eyelash because of those particles of stuff like eyeshadow that will fall on it. So I was just cleaning that up. So we did eyelash and under the eye mascara. Now it was the time for the lipstick. You know me with I love it. I love it when I love to have this lip line kind of love shape. So her lip is not that big, so I went and had a little bit of volume to the lip to give it that shape that I want to give to her, because she was indeed a love and a beautiful client. She was so easy to work with, and her work was very nice, and she loved every part of it. So I had it more lipstick again. I was adding this nude lipstick, but if we blend in, the nude will not be nude. So I went in to add pink to it. This was it when I wanted to add pink to it. I went ahead and later add pink to it. After blending it, the lip will not give me what I want. Yes, I was I reapplied it, and I later had pink to it because she said she wanted nude. So I had pink on top of the particular shade I was adding before. So with this lighter pink, very, very light baby pink, it was better. So I wanted to add lip gloss to it, but she was like, no, I don't want lip gloss. I like my lip matte. I like it matte. I don't want, so if I had lip gloss to it, for me, I would prefer it more, but you give to them what they want and how they want it. So this was it. I went in with this, my game changer. If you know me, you know I love to use this, my setting powder highlighter all in one. I used it for her under the eyes. This was so nice. It was indeed lovely. It was indeed lovely. You can see it enough. I was using the brown shade for those contour line to make this face kind of V. So I was using this glow to set the rest part of her face because she said she wanted it glowing. Yeah, so she wanted one of those. So I did not fail to give her what she wants. I was just looking for I was looking for something to work on. Yes, the setting spray. While she was doing this on her, I was not aware. So we added wig. So we added wig to it, and she was feeling herself. This is what she was feeling herself. That was when she told me, "Please, I would love you to give me some glue." So this was me applying the glue. The glitters glue. I would say the glue. I was applying glitters glue to her eyes. So I went into my pigmentation. This was so nice. This was so beautiful. So I did not just add glitters to this part of her eyes. I had glitter to the other part, like that area that looked like white. I went in with this sieve. It's not silver, mercury pigment, because that one was smaller and it showed different colors. So I just applied that one with my hand. I applied that mercury pigment because it has different color in one. It does not show one particular color. It's like white, but it showed differently. So this was me just adding it to it. It does not show one particular color. It showed different color, but it looked like silver, but not real silver. It's like rainbow color all in one, but it looked like silver. But when you apply it, it shows you something different. Just as you can see on this video, though it's small. So this is the end of the video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Hope you enjoy yourself. If this video was helpful for you guys, please thumbs up for the host, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It was nice having you guys around. To those of you that stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. This was without the glue. This was fine without glitters. It was so nice. This was with glitter. Look at the difference. It is indeed nice. So hope you learn anything from this video. Take care of yourself. See you on my next video. Love you. Bye.